Stick figure man sitting alone near window, rain outside, sad mood. Close-up of man looking out window, raindrops visible. Man resting head on hand, small thought bubble with cloud. Empty room, chair and mug on table. Lonely atmosphere. Man draws heart on foggy window glass. He looks tired. Small memory shapes in thought bubble. Lightning outside window. Man flinches slightly. Man opens notebook, writes, I'm fine. Close-up of notebook. Shaky hand holding pen. Rain stops outside. Light peeks through clouds. Small cat appears outside window. Man opens window. Cat jumps in. Man pets cat. First faint smile appears. Sunlight enters room. Calm expression. Cat sits by his feet. Peaceful atmosphere. Man closes eyes. Takes deep breath. Sunlight beams across room. Hopeful tone. Man stretches arms. Stands up. Opens curtains wider. Bright room. Pours coffee into mug. Steam rising. Notebook says, maybe today will be better. Cat looks at notebook curiously. Looks outside at stick people walking on street. Smiling face. Small heart symbol above head. Picks up jacket. Ready to leave. Looks at cat lovingly before leaving. Curtains move in wind. Soft, calm moment. Opens window completely. Sunlight fills frame. Stands at window, looking out confidently. Walks forward into sunlight. Peaceful end.